Welcome to this tutorial where we'll look at Power Automate connectors. A quick note before we begin, this video is actually part of a more comprehensive beginner's course that you can access by clicking the pop-up here in the top right-hand corner. In this tutorial, we're delving into a crucial topic that forms the foundation of your automation journey, connecting to data sources. These are like gateways to a world of applications that you can seamlessly integrate and automate. Let's take a closer look. Connecting to data sources is like plugging into a vast network of information streams that Power Automate can tap into. It's the heart of automation, and it opens up a universe of possibilities. When we talk about data sources, we mean various platforms and applications where valuable information resides. Think databases, cloud storage, spreadsheets, social media, and much more. Connectors are a way to connect to data sources and applications like Office 365, Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint, and even social media platforms like Twitter. Whether it's an Excel spreadsheet brimming with sales figures, customer data in your CRM, or even tweets from your company's Twitter account, Power Automate can seamlessly connect to these sources, extract data, and orchestrate actions. And that's not all. Google Drive, FTP, GitHub, Slack, and yes, even the weather. The possibilities are truly limitless. Imagine the time you'll save and the accuracy you'll achieve when your data sources communicate with each other effortlessly. While many connectors are free and readily available, some fall under the premium category. These might require a subscription and a monthly fee to unlock their full potential. But don't worry, there's still a multitude of free connectors to kickstart your automation journey. Let's dive into an example. Say you're keen on automating tasks with Excel. I'll do a search for OneDrive Excel and select that. You'll be presented with a range of templates related to Excel Online. These templates serve as starting points for your automation adventures. From data management to analytics, the options are diverse. Let's say you're a Microsoft Teams expert. We'll select the Teams connector and explore the possibilities of automating teamwork and communication. Here at the top, we can start a flow by choosing a trigger type. For example, a trigger that will initiate an automation when a new channel message is added or when I am mentioned in a channel message. 3 are templates for creating chats, receiving messages, scheduling meetings, and even adding team members. All this is at your fingertips. Now let's look at one more example that isn't inside of the Microsoft ecosystem. Let's take the YouTube connector, for example. I'm going to choose the trigger when I upload a video. The trigger itself indicates that there is no additional information needed for this step, so I can go ahead and create a new step. I'll search for YouTube, and here are the actions I can take on that specific trigger. Wow, pretty neat. Looks like we have some of these cool AI-powered writing tools that we can implement into our flow. This is powerful. I'll go ahead and choose Create YouTube Ideas. We are then required to fill in the of this connection, and it looks like we'll need an API key from Writesonic. A quick look at the overview tells us Writesonic is an AI writer that helps you write SEO-optimized blog posts and articles. Pretty neat. I'll leave a link in the description below in case you want to check out Writesonic. By adding actions, you'll design your workflow with conditions and loops. These elements come together to create a sequence of tasks that will transform your data and carry out your desired actions. Once your masterpiece is ready, save it and activate the workflow. As you can see, Power Automate connectors open up a realm of automation potential. It's all about combining these connectors to build workflows that save you time and effort. From simple tasks to complex processes, the possibilities are yours to explore. That wraps up our quick tour of Power Automate connectors. Remember, the key is to let your imagination run wild and create automations that suit your needs. If you found this connector overview helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. When a notification flow will trigger and I get my joyful hit of dopamine,